In this video, we're going to create a game of all the states that begin with the letter M. So I'm going to go right into clickandlearnsoftware.com, click the Play Now button. I have an area where I can create my own games. Because I'm a registered user, I have this power to create my own games. I have to set it up or reserve space on the server, click the gear, give it a title down here where the plus sign is on the bottom. I'm going to click that. And the title is going to be Game States with M. Click Create a New Game. It's going to ask me to choose a thumbnail. We can choose a thumbnail from a rather large library of thumbnails we have. Let's do this one. Click Save. And now you'll notice when I click Save again, now you'll notice that game has been set up. It hadn't been created yet. We've reserved space for it. So now we click that, click the pencil, and we're going to go to Advanced. I'm going to add questions one at a time. Add a question, a main. Next question, Maryland. Add a question. Okay. Next, add a question, Massachusetts. Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan. Add a question, Michigan. Okay. That's 4. Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota. Okay. Mississippi. Missouri. And Montana. So we have selected the questions for this game. We click Done. Now we select a picture for this game. And I'm going to select a picture of down here. Actually, let me move this over so you can see it. I'll just get that out of the way. So you can see down here where I type in, I just type in 50 and see what comes up. Search. All of these pictures, I can use any of these pictures. Let's use this one. Okay. Now, when I click one of these buttons, it tells me that's Montana. Notice up at the top, it says Montana. Place the button on the map where you want your student to click, where you want your classmates to click. Place it on the screen. And then click the next button, Missouri. Missouri, place that. Next button is Mississippi. Place that. And Minnesota. And Michigan. Massachusetts, Maryland, the yellow one there, Maine, and click Save. I just that quickly and just that easily made a game about something I want to learn. I click that game, click single player, click Go. It asks for Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri. We beat the clock, and now we go to all 8 questions, and we click Go. And you know how the games work. You've seen me explain this many times. That is how easy it is to create a game. Let me show you a couple of other things. I'm going to click that same game. I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to select a different picture. Let's select. I'm still searching for 50 of something. Let's select this one. Okay, click Save. And also, I'll get back into that again. Click Edit. I'm going to go to Advanced Settings. I'm going to go to Layout, and I'm going to change that from the gray square buttons to the red circle. Click Done, and Save. Okay. Now, when you play that game, click single player, click go, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts. Well, let's tell you what, let's get in and adjust the buttons location. Click there, click the pencil. I'm going to move this button into the middle of Massachusetts, more to the center of the lower part of Michigan, up higher into Maryland. Okay, and then click save. That's how easy it is to edit and improve your game. What else could we do? If we had anybody in comments that says, can you show us how to learn the country of South America? Let's do that. I'm going to go to clickandlearnsoftware.com. I'm going to click the button that says free channels, free geography channels, South America. Play any of these games. All of these are games. Let's play this one. That's kind of a challenge. It's in test mode. Click single player, click go. It asks for Bolivia. There's going to be in a random order. Bolivia, Chile, Colombia. If I get it right, I get a green button, Uruguay. If I get it wrong, I get a red button, Peru. This should be Peru, Brazil, Venezuela. This is Colombia. This would be Venezuela, French Guiana, Falkland Islands. If I got it wrong, let's say I get this one wrong, I get a red light. So I'm not going to score 100% on this. It asks for Suriname. Oh, here's the other thing you can do as a student. And this is not cheating, but as a student, if your teacher says, play the game about something and score 100%, I already know I missed that one because I clicked the wrong button. So I'm going to exit. I'm going to get right back into that. I'm going to go right into test mode. And I'm going to click single player and go. Well, that's not the game I was wanted, is it? No, I want to use the game I just created. No, that's sorry. I'm going to go to test mode. It says single player, go. It asks for, I know what I was doing. This is the game I was playing over here. Click there in test mode, click single player, and now it asks for Ecuador. I know this is Colombia, Ecuador. I'm going to get 100% on this one, Chile, unless I click one wrong, of course. Colombia, Uruguay, Brazil, French Guiana, Suriname, Venezuela, Guyana, French Guiana, Uruguay, French Guiana, Guyana, Peru, Paraguay, Bolivia, Falkland Islands, Argentina. Got 100%. That's pretty cool. You can get in and play any of these games. Let's try this game. This is something called teacher discussion mode. And the way this works is the teacher will present this on a big screen, simply ask the students, what country is that? And then they can click the button to go to the next country. What country is that? Well, it looks like these are going to be in alphabetical order. That's Brazil, Chile, Colombia. And when the students say whatever the answer is, they say this is right or wrong, the teacher can click this button and shows them that this is Colombia. That's another cool part of our system. What else can I show you? Let's get into, I haven't been in Canada for quite a while. Let's play that game. Let's move to test mode. Click single player, go. It asks for Quebec. I know that alphabetically this is O-P-Q. Quebec, Saskatchewan. This is Manitoba, I think, and that should be Saskatchewan. Nova Scotia is a little island out there. Northwest Territories, New Brunswick, Alberta, Yukon Territory, Ontario, O-P-Q-O, Ontario, British Columbia, Manitoba, Newfoundland, Prince Edward Island, the little island there. I've answered 12 of 13. The last question is Nunavut. And we got 100%. What else can I show you that's fun? See what else I've got over here. I'm going to go to free geography channels. I'm looking for a game about Texas. I created a bunch of games about learning the, let's go to the home and do a home world geography. Okay. Anyway, we got so many games in here that takes a while to find them. Let's explore my subscriptions. See if I've got the one up here about Texas. A lot of them. There's a game about Texas. Okay, Texas counties. See what I've got on that. Okay. Looks like I have moved those to another area because that's a big project for me. I'm going to go back to main menu. I'll go back to home. Get back in. Here we go. 30 days to learn the Texas counties. Click here. I'm going to go right over to what is really kind of my favorite of all of this. I'm in test mode. It has 250 questions on screen. It asks for Hardin. Hardin County, Llano, right below Saba. Burnett. Burnett would be Burnett County. It asks for Cass County. Cass. Let's see how many of these I get right. Cherokee. McCullough. McCullough is right here. Jeff Davis. Lynn. Lynn County is right below Lubbock. Getting my button right on that. Newton County is right next to Jasper. Wilbarger next to Wichita. Bowie, top right corner. Williamson. Williamson is that little purple one. Nacogdoches is the red one here. Fayette. Lamar. I haven't been in this for a while, so I'm going to see how far I can go. Cook with 2 O's. I'm going to see how far I can go without missing one. Dallin. Duval. Donnelly Duval. I think this is Duval. It is. Okay. Presidio. Morris. Ector. St. Augustine. Right next to Sabine. LaSalle, I think is, well, which one is it? Okay, LaSalle, Lavaca, alphabetically follow each other. Clay County, Medina, Stevens, Marion, Real, click that button, correct. Navarro is Nacogdoches. This should be Navarro. It is. Lamb, Lamar, Lamb. I think this is Lamb. It is. Okay, Stonewall is right here. Comal, Colorado, Caldwell, Comal, Lipscomb, Live Oak, Van Zant, correct. Howard County, Ford County, Hood County. Well, this could take a while. I just want you to know that these games are available. You can learn the 254 counties of Texas in 1 month. Let's say an hour a day playing the games, and you'll know more about the Texas counties than probably way over 99% of the people probably can't do that. You'll be able to do it. And what else have I got? I think it's the main thing I want to show you. Okay, here's a game. I haven't played this. I created this recently. I click here and it's going to ask for the name of the senators with putting their pictures up there. I think that might be, is that Bennett? No, that's not Bennett. I'll use the show me button. That's Blumenthal. This is Bennett. This is that Marsha Blackburn? No, that's Tammy Baldwin. This is John Brasso. Also Brooks. This might be Jim Banks. This might be Marsha Blackburn. 4 seconds over. Also Brooks, Banks, Blumenthal, Massaro, Bennett, Blackburn, Blumenthal, and Baldwin. That's just another game we have. This just show you the different types of games that are available in our system. So anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this. I want to get to go where I can do a live stream every day and lead you through the process of learning the 254 counties of Texas. To me, that's one of the best things I've ever done with this system, other than make games and pass tests and whatever I do with it. That's enough for now. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Okay.